Today I'm talking about CATGOLD because CATGOLD is listing in 4 days time right now. So there is this thing I want you guys to know. I thought I should show you guys because you'll be earning 500 CATGOLD worth of 1 point something dollars, okay, on that pre-listing price. So right here, right now, I'm going to show you guys on how to get the 500 CATGOLD. All right. So right now, we're gonna click on this claim 500, right? uh 500 CATGOLD. So all you have to do is just to click on that. Okay, you have successfully claimed from the price pool. Okay, you see that I've gotten 500 CATGOLD, which is the one you're seeing right here. Okay, this is gonna take you less than a second to make this happen. Okay, now there's some task you have to do, which is you can just check on that. Do you have a BitGet account? You need to add your BitGet gold deposit address to receive the CATGOLD airdrop. No, let's create it if you don't have. So if you have, you just have to tap on this. Yes, I have it. When you tap on yes, I have it, they're gonna tell you you should put in your BitGet UID, then the CATGOLD deposit address. Right, so I'm going to show you guys on how to get that deposit address. So why not just hop in, let me go to my BitGet and get the CATGOLD deposit address. Now look at this. When you go to your BitGet, you're going to tap on the, let me show you guys, you're going to tap on this deposit right here. So you're going to see cryptos displaying here. You have to go to the search bar. You go to the search bar here. Okay, tap on it. You search for CATGOLD, CATGOLD. Now it's going to pop up. Okay, now look at it here. You tap on it. When you tap on it, you're going to be looking for the receive address, right? So right here, this is not the place to check on it. I'm just going to show you guys where. So before we get the address, all you have to do is to get your UID, and this is where to get your UID right here. You're going to tap on this 40 you're seeing up there. Okay, then tap on the ID. That is your UID, right? So if you want to know more, you just have to tap on the angle. As you can see, that is it. Okay, so now we have to go back and paste in your UID. Paste it there. Okay, now let's see where to find this BitGet CATGOLD deposit address. You tap on let's find where. The tutorial is there, so all you have to do is just to accept. Okay, loading document. Let's wait, let the document load. Okay, it's already loaded. So it says step 1, this is your UID 7305. That's how it's gonna be. So you click on that, you get this, then you go to deposit, you click on deposit crypto, then you're gonna say third party payment, something like that. Search for CATGOLD. Then step 4, what you're going to choose network, onchain network. You now have your UID, let's call it deposit address. Now say the minimum deposit is 2 CATGOLD. So right now let's go do that. So I don't think this is a I got too big because BitGet is somehow confusing. Let me show you guys the main one. So just bear with me. I'm looking for BitGet exchange. Let's see. this is one. This is one of it. Because we know BitGet is two, okay? BitGet is two apps, okay? BitGet wallet and BitGet exchange. So it's as if the BitGet exchange you are going to use, okay? So you're going to see the other one, BitGet wallet. The other one is BitGet itself. So we're just going to enter inside there, as you can see. Then you're going to tap on the this box at the top left corner. My account is verified. Then you tap on this. There's my UID standing there. I've copied it. I'm just gonna go back. I'm gonna go back and paste it here. As you can see, there is the UID. Now the next step is to get the deposit address. So let's go back. Okay, now we're gonna tap on deposit. Let me go back and tap on it. Okay, this deposit right here. We tap on it. Say deposit crypto. You tap on that deposit crypto. Then a search bar is gonna pop up. Here you're gonna tap on the CATGOLD. Here is it. Now the next step, you're gonna select the network. Okay, it's a ton network. It should be in this coin network. Okay, it had to be there. All right. If you tap on it to switch, 10 block confirmation. You don't have to switch on it. So all I have to do is to copy this deposit address. Okay, go back. Okay, you have to go back to the Telegram wallet. Okay, press and hold. That is it. You click on continue. It's a confirm withdrawal of 500 CATGOLD. Okay, BitGet UID. Deposit. You have lost. You may lose your token if this UID, wallet address, or memo are incorrect. Blocked or doesn't exist. Incorrect or blocked or doesn't exist. KYC pass only. Exchanges require to verify your identity before trading. Okay. Yes. It's locked. Okay, as you can see here, the crypto is locked for now. Okay, till that day which is about 4 days ago. Now be ready for the listing on 10th AM UTC 9 January. Alright, and count from today. Back to menu. Now we are done with that one. Okay, so let's check and see if do you have a gate account? You need to add your gate CATGOLD deposit to receive the CATGOLD airdrop. No, let's create. I have it, so I don't know. Okay, I've got my X. Yes, I have it. xt.com deposit. Oh, this is an exchange. So guys, that is it for now. And if there's any tax inside here, all you have to do is go and do what? Go and claim your reward. Okay, there's some tax you have to do too. All you have to do is just to be doing it. Okay, keep on doing the tax so you will earn more of it. Alright, as you can see here, I've got 64 tax. Look at it down here, 64. So all I have to do is just to make sure I complete the 64 and see I can round up on my CATGOLD. Okay, so thank you for watching and stay blessed.